Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation we're going to see how we can go about extending the evaluation period for our Windows 10 installation for up to 360 days or 1 year. So by default, you're only going to get so many days with your Windows evaluation for Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 10. Your first evaluation period for the Windows operating system is usually limited to 30 days. By default, you can go ahead and get another 30 days by using this Rearm method. And that's going to pretty much do it, and you have to reinstall. But there is a registry hack that we can do after we rearm. So let's see how we go about hacking the registry for our Windows 10 evaluation copy and extend it for up to 360 days or 1 year. To access the Windows registry, let's just go to our Start menu. Up inside of the search bar, just type in regedit. Go ahead and launch. Now, once you're up inside of regedit, you're going to expand your HKey local machine. Once you're underneath your HKey local machine hive, go ahead and expand software. Scroll on down until you come to Microsoft, expand that key. Scroll on down until you come to Windows NT, expand that. Open up your current version. Expand where it says Software Protection Platform. And then just click it. That'll bring up the contents over in the right window pane. Inside of the right window pane, scroll on down till you come to Skip Rearm. Go ahead and double click it. And you're going to change this 0 to a 1. And you're going to say OK. Doing this will allow you to rearm the evaluation period for your Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 10 installation for a total of 8 more times, or 360 days. To get the full 360-day evaluation option, you're going to have to wait for the 30th day when your current evaluation time period expires. Then you can go ahead and run the rearm command, and from there you'll have another 30 days. And again, you can do that for a total of 8 times. That concludes this short video presentation on how we go about rearming our 30-day evaluation for Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 10, and hacking the Windows registry to extend that evaluation period for a total of 360 days. Now, if you have any questions or concerns about the information that was covered in this short video presentation, please do not hesitate to reach out and contact your instructor, and I'll see you in my next video.